Apple's new M2 iPad Pro 2022 has been hailed as one of the best iPads the company has ever produced. This is particularly due to the introduction of the M2 chip, which has helped increase its performance considerably as compared to the M1 iPad. However, there are certain areas that the M2 iPad Pro 2022 loses out to the Samsung Tab S8 Plus. And in this video, we will provide all the details you need to know.
Can you give some more info?
Display and sizes. In terms of the sizes, the Samsung Tab S8 Plus comes with just one option, while the iPad Pro comes in two main options. Samsung strategically placed the S8 Plus in the middle of the S8 Tab and the S8 Ultra, and has a size that is neither too big or too small. Therefore, while the Samsung Tab has a size of 11 inches and the S8 Ultra has a 14.6-inch display, the Tab S8 Plus comes with a 12.4-inch screen. Dubbed as the middle child of the S8 series, this size is good for watching content and performing other essential tasks. One of the benefits of having a decent screen size is the ability to access the DeX feature on the tablet. More details on that shortly, so stay with us. The S8 Plus screen is made up of Super AMOLED, which helps better content viewing at a resolution of 2800 by 1752. On the other hand, the iPad Pro's base model is an 11-inch screen and is evidently lower than what the Samsung offers. Apple, however, provides a second option to the 11-inch model with a 12.9-inch screen. The downside to this, however, is that it comes at a different cost and might force users to settle for the 11-inch model.
Too expensive!
Rumors does indicate that Apple intends to roll out another version which will be closer to that of the S8 Ultra version with a 14.1-inch screen. Another important thing to note here is the aspect ratio of both gadgets. While the Tab S8 Plus has a wider 16:10 aspect ratio, the iPad Pro has a squarish 4:3 dimension when put in landscape mode. It is very much important because users of the Samsung Tab can easily watch videos without having any huge bars on top and at the bottom of the screen, or have the video take up just a small part of the screen. With this wider screen too, users can multitask using split screens. Samsung also continued its dominance in the area of charging speed with the Samsung Tab 8 Plus, and we will provide more details on that shortly. We will surely get on to talk about some high-end features and the charging speed, but make sure to subscribe to this channel if you are yet to do so. It will give you access to all our exclusive tech reviews and comparisons.
Please like and subscribe.
High-end features. Both the Samsung S8 Tab Plus and the iPad Pro 2022, as indicated earlier, have sizes that are a bit closer to the size of some notebooks or laptop. But Samsung actually takes theirs a step further with the DeX feature. According to Samsung, DeX is our mobile-powered computing platform that allows you to convert your Galaxy device into something similar to a complete desktop experience. Samsung DeX lets you use any S8 device as both a tablet and a desktop PC by connecting it to a monitor, keyboard, and mouse, via USB-C, HDMI cable, or by wirelessly connecting it to a Miracast-enabled display. DeX is the short term for desktop, which explains how users have the ability to turn their tabs into desktop mode and enjoy a wide range of features. Within this mode, the user interface of the tablet is transformed into a desktop-like layout, as against the standard Android home screen of apps and widgets. Perhaps, one of the most impressive benefits of the DeX feature is the freedom it gives to users to multitask. For instance, within the DeX mode, users can open up to 5 windows simultaneously to make working easier. This is possible because of the ability of opening apps in dedicated windows and resizing them. This is a feature that is not provided by iPad Pro and gives Samsung a significant edge. Charging speed and battery. The Samsung Tab 8 Plus shares the same charging speed as the Samsung Tab 8. Unlike the 8 Ultra, both can have a fully charged battery in 80 minutes, while the Ultra can be charged in 90 minutes. But Samsung does serve a caveat that charging speed may depend on a variety of reasons, including charging conditions and actual usage. Once charged, the S8 Plus does have a decent battery life. The Tab can have 13 hours of playback, which is an hour less than that which is provided by the Tab 8 Ultra. In comparison with the Samsung Tab 8 Plus, the M2 iPad Pro takes about 3 hours to get it fully charged. This is largely due to the fact that it still uses 20-watt charger from the M1 type. The Samsung S8 Tab Plus winning in several ways against the iPad Pro 2022, but it does not rule out the fact that the latter gadget comes with some exciting features. There has been a confirmation of one of them, the super fast wireless connectivity, and we have more details on that in our next video.